So I'm about to take these covers off and then I will replace them with... Hi guys, it's Wednesday morning. I want to work on some seat covers that are going to be for my patio area. I made that space last year around April, March. There I wanted to have my patio space to work out. The last haul that I did for the Dollar Tree, I told you guys that I would use this for my summer bags, but apparently I picked a very light quality. This will be like a plastic cover. It's just 1 yard of each. I have 2 pieces of fabric, one for the front and one for the back. So I'm gonna sew this all around. It's 37 by 45 inches. I'm gonna sew it all around and then I'll slip it into my chair. So it's sort of like a slip cover for the outdoor chairs. I'm now going to take these slip covers and turn them inside out. Okay guys, this is the space I was talking about at the couch. It's 2 seats, but because of heavy rains and humidity, we've had mold. This is from the water. So I'm about to take these covers off and then I will replace them with this African slip cover. I love it. It came out so well. As you can see, it's 2-sided. It was a little bit snug, so next time I'm gonna add a couple of inches to the sides there. I finally managed to get it all the way in, but it was a little bit of a struggle. Now here's the final look. So excited that I was able to do this, because then tomorrow I will be able to shoot my content. So this is a perfect print for spring, even summer. And then the back is brown. If I would want to, I can still interchange the 2 pieces to, you know, kind of make it look fallish. These were 2 chairs that I put together into this sofa looking piece. Hope you have fun making yours. I love working with African fabrics. Let me see what you love working with. And if you do happen to make one, please tag me at Flois Jeru. I wish you a happy weekend ahead, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday for more tips and hacks.